事件报告：蓝色起源的绝望尝试，新格伦火箭的发射延迟。主题：蓝色起源公司的新格伦火箭发射延迟。时间：2025年1月13日。综合总结：蓝色起源公司 Blue Origin 近期的发射计划再度遭遇挫折，其重型运载火箭新格伦 New Glenn 的首次发射原定于2025年1月13日，但因技术问题被迫推迟。以下是对该事件的详细分析和总结。1、事件背景：新格伦火箭是由亚马逊创始人杰夫·贝索斯 （Jeff Bezos） 创立的蓝色起源公司开发的，旨在与 SpaceX 等竞争对手争夺商业航天市场。新格伦的设计目标是提供强大的运载能力，支持多种航天任务。然而，自2015年首次宣布以来，该项目的进展缓慢，首次发射计划已被多次推迟。2、延迟原因：根据路透社的报道，导致新格伦发射推迟的主要原因是技术问题，具体涉及火箭的一个子系统。蓝色起源团队正在积极进行故障排查和修复，以确保发射的安全与成功。媒体指出，这一技术故障的突发性和复杂性使得公司面临巨大压力。3、公众反应与评论：在社交媒体和视频平台，如 YouTube 上，公众对新格伦的延迟反应强烈，许多观众表示失望和不满。评论区充斥着对蓝色起源可靠性的质疑。有网友调侃道：“倒计时变成了计时”，并对公司在激烈竞争中的前景表示担忧。许多评论者认为，蓝色起源需要重新审视其目标和时间表，以更好地应对市场挑战。4、时间线：2025年1月13日，原定的新格伦首次发射日期因技术问题被推迟。2023年，蓝色起源多次调整发射时间表，从10年前开始开发的新格伦项目，至今仍未实现首飞。5、与竞争对手的比较：在航天领域 ，SpaceX 的火箭发射速度和成功率远高于蓝色起源。许多评论认为，蓝色起源的频繁延迟可能使其在市场竞争中处于劣势。公众普遍认为，蓝色起源需要设定更为现实的发射目标，以增强其在商业航天市场的竞争力。6、媒体报道的差异：不同媒体对事件的报道角度有所不同。路透社和 CNBC 更侧重于技术问题及其对发射计划的影响，而 YouTube 上的视频则更多地强调公众对延迟的反应和对蓝色起源未来的担忧。这种信息的多样性使得公众对事件的理解更加复杂。结论：蓝色起源的新格伦火箭项目正在经历重大挑战，频繁的发射延迟使得其在商业航天领域的前景受到质疑。尽管公司在技术上进行努力，但能否实现首次成功发射仍需时日。未来的市场竞争形势将更加严峻，蓝色起源必须采取有效措施，以便在激烈的航天竞赛中立于不败之地。各来源总结： 1、路透社报道了新格伦的发射延迟原因，强调技术问题的突发性和复杂性。网址：路透社报道 https://blue-origin.com/space-base-new-reuters-blue-origin-new-e-13-2 YouTube 视频，观众对蓝色起源的评论和反应表达了对公司未来的担忧。网址：视频链接一 https://youtube.com/v=8c8fevcrkyw 网址：视频链接二 https://youtube.com/v=cbgwwsmr5os。这个事件充分反映了商业航天领域的复杂性和挑战。蓝色起源能否克服当前的困难，实现其目标，仍然是一个悬而未决的问题。 Blue Origin's recent struggles with the New Glenn rocket launch reveal a counterintuitive landscape in the space industry, particularly when compared to competitors like SpaceX. While many may assume that a company led by a billionaire like Jeff Bezos would have a streamlined and efficient operation, the reality is that Blue Origin is facing significant technical hurdles and public skepticism. Expectations versus reality. The perception is that a company with vast financial resources and influential leadership should be able to execute complex projects successfully. However, the repeated delays in launching New Glenn, which was first conceived a decade ago, contradict this expectation. This suggests that financial backing does not guarantee success in technology development and project execution. 2. Technical difficulties. Blue Origin's delays are attributed to technical issues, specifically with a vehicle subsystem. This detail highlights a counterintuitive aspect of the aerospace industry. The complexity of rocket technology means that even well-funded companies can face unforeseen challenges that can halt progress. The assumption that technology development is linear and predictable is proven false in this context. 3. Public sentiment. The public reaction to the delays has been overwhelmingly critical, with many expressing disappointment and frustration. Comments from social media indicate a growing perception that Blue Origin is less reliable than its competitors, particularly SpaceX, which has maintained a high launch frequency and success rate. This public sentiment contrasts sharply with the expectation that a company led by a prominent figure like Bezos would inspire confidence. 4. Market position. Blue Origin is perceived to be at a disadvantage in the competitive landscape of commercial spaceflight. The expectation might be that it would quickly catch up to or surpass SpaceX due to its resources. However, the reality is that frequent delays and technical issues have eroded trust and market positioning, illustrating that reputation and reliability are crucial in this industry, often more than the initial financial investment. 5. Perception of innovation. The narrative around innovation in aerospace often suggests that new entrants can disrupt established companies. However, Blue Origin's challenges with New Glenn show that established players can maintain their edge through execution and reliability. The expectation that new technologies will automatically lead to breakthroughs is countered by the reality of execution challenges. In summary, Blue Origin's experience with the New Glenn launch illustrates that high-profile leadership and financial resources do not equate to success in the highly technical and competitive realm of space exploration. The complexities of rocket development, public perceptions, and the realities of market competition challenge the notion that innovation alone can lead to success. 重要内容分析： 1. 技术问题的深远影响。新格伦火箭的首次发射因技术故障推迟，凸显了蓝色起源在火箭开发中的不确定性。在航天领域，技术故障往往意味着巨大的经济损失和对公司声誉的打击。很多人可能会忽视这种技术问题的复杂性，认为只是简单的延迟。然而，这种故障可能源于设计缺陷、材料问题或工程管理失误，反映了公司在技术积累和工程管理方面的薄弱环节。2. 公众舆论的变化。社交媒体和视频平台上，公众对蓝色起源的反应反映了其品牌形象的变化。评论区中对新格伦延迟的批评不仅仅是对一次发射失败的失望，更是对公司未来能力的质疑。许多观众对蓝色起源的期望逐渐转为失望，可能会影响潜在客户的信心和投资者的兴趣。公众舆论的这种变化是企业在商业竞争中不能忽视的因素。3. 与 SpaceX 的竞争比较。蓝色起源的延迟与 SpaceX 的成功形成鲜明对比，这可能导致市场对两者未来的预期发生明显分化。 SpaceX 在火箭发射频率和成功率上的优势，使得蓝色起源面临越来越大的市场压力。许多人可能会忽略这种竞争带来的战略影响，但在商业航天领域，发射的频率和可靠性直接关系到客户的选择和市场份额的争夺。4. 项目时间线的延长与市场反应。新格伦项目从10年前开始开发，却至今未能实现首飞，这不仅意味着技术上的挑战，还揭示了公司在项目管理和市场预期方面的不足。公众对发射时间表的反复推迟表现出不满，这种持续的延迟可能会导致客户对蓝色起源的信任度降低，从而影响其商业合作和市场拓展。5. 媒体报道的多样性。不同媒体对新格伦事件的报道侧重不同，路透社和 CNBC 强调技术问题，而 YouTube 视频更关注公众反应。这种报道的多样性可能导致公众对事件的理解存在偏差，也可能影响投资者和市场对蓝色起源的整体看法。一些人可能会忽视深层次的技术问题，而仅仅关注表面上的公众反应，这可能导致对事件的误解和对公司的错误评估。6. 未来的市场竞争格局。蓝色起源的延迟发射可能使其在商业航天市场的竞争力下降。随着 SpaceX 等竞争对手不断推进航天技术的进步，蓝色起源需要重新审视其战略目标和实施计划，以应对日益激烈的市场竞争。这种市场竞争的动态变化是许多人可能忽视的，但对于公司的生存和发展至关重要。总结：新格伦火箭的延迟不仅仅是一次发射计划的失败，而是蓝色起源在技术、管理和市场竞争多个方面面临的重大挑战。公众反应的变化、技术问题的复杂性、与竞争对手的比较，以及媒体报道的多样性，都在塑造着这一事件的背景和未来的市场格局。这些重要内容在报告中往往被忽视，但它们对于理解蓝色起源的现状和未来的走向至关重要。
1. Technical challenges and delays. The delays in launching Blue Origin's New Glenn rocket are primarily attributed to technical issues with the vehicle subsystem. This highlights the complexities and challenges associated with developing advanced space launch systems, particularly in a highly competitive environment. An in-depth analysis could explore the specific technical difficulties faced, the implications of these delays on project timelines, and how they compare to the experiences of competitors like SpaceX, which has maintained a more aggressive launch schedule. 2. Public perception and market position. The public's reaction to the delays has been largely negative, with criticisms regarding Blue Origin's reliability and ability to compete in the commercial space sector. This point invites discussion on how public perception can impact a company's market position and investor confidence. Analyzing social media and public sentiment could provide insights into consumer expectations in the space industry, as well as the potential long-term effects of these delays on Blue Origin's reputation. 3. Competitive landscape. The comparison between Blue Origin and SpaceX is crucial, particularly as SpaceX continues to achieve higher launch frequencies and success rates. This competitive analysis could delve into the strategic differences between the two companies, including their business models, technological approaches, and operational efficiencies. Understanding how Blue Origin can reposition itself in the market or innovate to catch up could be a key discussion point. For future prospects and strategic goals, given the setbacks faced by Blue Origin, it is essential to evaluate the company's future prospects, including its strategic goals and whether they are realistic given the current technological and market conditions. This analysis could encompass Blue Origin's long-term vision, potential partnerships, funding strategies, and how it plans to address the technical challenges that have led to delays. The discussion could also extend to the broader implications for the commercial space industry and how emerging players might affect this landscape. 1. Space Shuttle Challenger Disaster 1986. The Challenger disaster occurred on January 28, 1986, when the NASA Space Shuttle Challenger broke apart 73 seconds into its flight, leading to the deaths of all 7 crew members. The disaster was attributed to the failure of an O-ring seal in its right solid rocket booster, which allowed hot gas to escape and damage the external fuel tank. This tragic event was a significant setback for NASA and raised questions about safety protocols and decision-making processes in the agency. The aftermath led to a re-evaluation of NASA's safety culture and the implementation of more stringent testing and review procedures. 2. Ariane 5 Flight 501 1996. The maiden flight of the Ariane 5 rocket on June 4, 1996 ended in failure just 37 seconds after liftoff, resulting in the destruction of the rocket and its payload. The failure was traced back to a software error in the rocket's guidance system, which caused the rocket to veer off course. This incident highlighted the importance of rigorous software testing in aerospace applications and led to changes in how future launches were conducted, emphasizing the need for enhanced validation and verification processes. 3. Mars Climate Orbiter 1999. The Mars Climate Orbiter, launched by NASA, was meant to study the Martian atmosphere but was lost due to a navigation error caused by a failure to convert units from English to metric. The spacecraft disintegrated upon entering Mars' atmosphere on September 23, 1999. This incident underscored the critical importance of standardizing measurements and communication among teams working on complex space missions, leading to significant changes in how NASA approached mission planning and execution to avoid similar errors in the future. The future outlook for Blue Origin and its New Glenn rocket, particularly in light of recent delays and technical challenges, raises several key predictions. 1. Continued development challenges. The technical issues that have delayed the New Glenn rocket's launch suggest that Blue Origin may face ongoing development hurdles. The complexities of modern rocket technology mean that resolving these issues could take significant time. It is likely that the company will need to invest additional resources into troubleshooting and ensuring reliability before they can confidently proceed with a launch. As a result, further delays may be expected, possibly pushing the debut launch further into the future. 2. Increased competition pressure. As Blue Origin struggles with delays, competitors like SpaceX continue to advance their capabilities rapidly. SpaceX has established itself as a dominant player in the commercial space sector, with a proven track record of successful launches and a growing customer base. This competitive landscape will pressure Blue Origin to expedite its development process and improve its reliability in order to attract customers and secure contracts, particularly as more companies enter the commercial launch market. 3. Potential strategic partnerships. To enhance its prospects, Blue Origin may seek strategic partnerships or collaborations with other aerospace companies or governmental agencies. Forming alliances could provide access to additional expertise, funding, and resources, which may help expedite the development of New Glenn and improve its overall launch readiness. Such partnerships could also enhance Blue Origin's credibility in the eyes of potential clients. For the market shift towards reusability, the industry trend is shifting towards more sustainable and cost-effective launch solutions, particularly those that emphasize reusability. SpaceX has set a high bar with its reusable Falcon 9 and Falcon Heavy rockets, which have significantly reduced launch costs. Blue Origin must not only ensure that New Glenn is reliable but also focus on developing a reusability model that can compete with SpaceX's offerings. The pressure to innovate in this area could lead to further delays if the company struggles to implement these technologies effectively. 5. Public perception and investor confidence. The repeated delays and technical challenges have tarnished Blue Origin's public image. Negative public sentiment, particularly from space enthusiasts and potential customers, could impact investor confidence. Blue Origin will need to take proactive steps to rebuild its reputation, including transparent communication about its challenges and milestones. Successfully completing the New Glenn launch will be critical for restoring faith in the company's capabilities. 6. Long-term vision and goals. Looking ahead, Blue Origin has ambitious plans that extend beyond New Glenn. The company envisions a future where it plays a significant role in space tourism, lunar exploration, and even missions to Mars. However, achieving these long-term goals will require successful execution of its current projects. If New Glenn can eventually launch successfully, it may pave the way for Blue Origin to expand its portfolio and engage in more complex missions. 7. Regulatory and safety considerations. As Blue Origin navigates its path forward, it will need to comply with increasing regulatory requirements related to safety and environmental standards. These regulations could impact timelines and operational procedures, potentially leading to additional delays if not adequately addressed. 8. Innovation in technology. The challenges faced by Blue Origin may spur innovation within the company. The need to overcome technical obstacles could lead to advancements in propulsion materials science and systems engineering. Such innovations could enhance the performance and reliability of future launches, ultimately benefiting the company in the long run. In conclusion, while Blue Origin faces significant challenges with the New Glenn project, the company has opportunities to pivot and adapt in a rapidly evolving commercial space landscape. Success will depend on addressing technical issues, responding to competitive pressures, and effectively communicating its progress to the public and stakeholders. If these elements align, Blue Origin may still carve a viable path in the space industry despite its current struggles.